So Nota has been going around trying to address these rape allegations that are leveled against him by Itumeleng.
But I never thought this, because I'm like, well, I mean, if you look at the messages, you know what I mean? There's no way where she says, hey, you assaulted me.
Yeah.
You forced yourself on me. There's no way where she says that, you know what I mean? And after the judge read these WhatsApps, they made the decision that, no, this man needs to be protected from harassment.
The controversial music producer Nota finds himself in the midst of social media storm after being accused of rape by actress Itumeleng. I'm going to read from independent media. They are saying the former Rhythm City and New TV star said Baloyi allegedly forced himself onto her at his home earlier this month. Bukaba has since opened up a case of rape against Baloyi. A bunch of edited conversations between the two have now gone viral on social media. In the messages, Bukaba expressed that she felt uncomfortable and pressured during the encounter with Baloyi. She indicated that she said no several times and felt that the situation went too far, too quick. She also told Baloyi that she was not ovulating, but that he needed to send her some cash for a plan B. However, Baloyi's response indicated that while they did engage in sexual activities, it was consensual. So Baloyi went on Instagram Live to address this matter. In a short clip making the round on X, Baloyi said,
Anything that happened was consensual and was initiated by her, not me. She initiated it. So that's that on that. And that is on record.
And meanwhile, Bukaba took on Instagram to say that she will not address this matter on X, like on the Twitter streets. So she says, I quote, again, I won't address this on the Twitter streets because I have no power there. I want to state my case in front of a qualified judge who is educated on the matters of consent, sexual offenses, and the psychology of rape. I refuse to engage in a popularity contest. I am not the GOAT or the authority. I am just Itu. And Itu is relying on the law. So please allow the due process to take place. Make your judgments after an official judgment has taken place. That's what she said on Instagram. And so on and so forth. So it looks like this case is headed to the courts. So we're just going to be following on this one. We just wish them all the best, both of them, because we were not there.